I'm here with this Asus iCare monitor and I can't wait to test this out and see how it works. Now this is the VA24E, it's the 23.8 version, inch version, but you have different sizes as well of the same technology, and this the VA set that has that iCare technology, so I'm very eager to test that out. So let's open up this box and see what we have inside here. Okay, so this is all packaged up pretty nicely. You have the books here and the energy labels. This has energy D, it says. And then a little book here, an HDMI cable, it's always nice. The power supply, then I think this is for the monitor stand. It seems pretty solid here. And the monitor stand here, it's plastic, pretty light. Yeah, pretty light. So let's set that down there for a second. Okay, so that's the whole top part, and then this comes off, and you have the monitor right here. So let's open this up. And there is the monitor. So pretty nice, 23.8 inches. It says iCare Plus here, 1 ms MPRT, 100 Hertz, IPS, frameless design. So, oh, that's nice. It has that frameless design. So the screen goes all the way up top here. So that's nice as well. So let's set this thing up. I'm going to put this down here for a second and then put the stand together. I think it should be easy enough. So this seems to go on top of here. Yeah, and it clicks in place. Okay, so now that feels pretty sturdy. And then you have like this mounting system. Cool, and you have like a click system right here at the back of the panel. Then the power supply and the HDMI cable, and that's it. So one HDMI in, and there are some buttons here on the side. Okay, so let's attach this right here. So that also clicks in place. And you have a small little button here at the back, so you can easily release that. Okay, so it's a bit wobbly, nothing too bad, but a bit wobbly. And the plastic base here, it's not going to fall or anything, but it's just a bit wobbly here, so nothing too bad, except especially for this price. So let's hook this up and see what we get. Okay, so this is kind of nice. Let's get this off here so we can see a little bit better. So you have like a little menu right here right now, if you can see, and then you can see like these options right here. And there are buttons on the back of the TV right here, and that you can press, so you can see the corresponding button with that little menu. So right now that should be the second one for OK. It says power saving settings. Yeah, so now that will go away, and you have like these different buttons here on the side to do your different settings, so that's pretty cool. So let's look at some gaming footage on this. So this is Forza Horizon 5, and well, it looks pretty nice. You have a lot of detail here. I don't think the refresh rate is enough for really high-end games at the moment, but it's more geared toward like work and resting your eyes. So I think it's a cool monitor that you can do a lot on, and I really recommend this one.